Hi, Elric again here at J-Tech, and tonight gonna be talking a little bit about clutch components and how they work. Here we have a clutch assembly set up. Here we have our clutch fork and the throwout bearing. Basically, when you depress the clutch pedal, a series of linkages or hydraulic or however your system is set up will actuate this here, causes it to lift up and take your bearing, to take pressure off of the pressure plate, and it will relieve pressure off of your clutch disc. So this bearing is not the best of shape, but this is one of your sacrificial components. This is one of your components that'll wear out pretty quickly in your system. Here we have a pressure plate. This is what sandwiches your clutch disc between your flywheel. We have these spring-like fingers on here, which helps apply pressure. And when the throwout bearing is pressed on or taken off, that determines the pressure that's on your disc. And if you look, this is sort of like the rotor material in your brake system. And going into that, your clutch disc has friction-like material similar to your brake pads. So in a way, it's a similar system to your brake system, but with a few differences. Like I was saying, the clutch disc, this is a two-sided disc with friction material on both sides that allow power to transmit from the input shaft through your input shaft, through your clutch component out to the transmission. Your clutch disc is splined on the inside to go into your input shaft of the transmission. These are also a wear component item. This is likely to go out quicker, one of the quicker components to go out on your clutch assembly. Down here, we have your flywheel. Your flywheel is also mated with the input shaft via this pilot bearing, and it is one of the first components that interacts with the transmission input shaft. It also has rotor-like material on it. So again, you see the similarities of the brake system. So basically, your components are going in order like this. You have your flywheel, and you have your clutch disc. And this here is a single disc, but some systems that have multiple discs in them. The more discs you have, the more of a diameter you have to operate the clutch system, and then you got pressure plate. Pressure plate, put this back together. Throwout bearing, clutch fork, and that is just a quick review on how your clutch is set up. Until next time.